As a portable type of garage flooring, garage floor tile allows you to personalize your space look and turns out much easier to install than other flooring types. It is thus a fancy winning option when you are looking for a new garage setup or feel like spruce up the current one. You might come up with a couple of questions before setting up your mind. Well, it's good to think before move. If you're really expecting a next level garage plan, it's time to answer the question. Yes, our garage floor tiles remain totally unaffected during bursts of heat or extreme cold in everyday use. A reminder that temperature change in your garage may cause expansion or contraction with your garage floor tiles, which is common and nothing to worry about. That depends on whether the tiles withstand the weight of carjack. At WEIDAN, all types of garage floor tiles are crafted with high-strength polypropylene and engineered impact-resistant structure for harsh working conditions. So please feel free to use your portable bottle jack or even heavy-duty floor jack for repairing or any car project. Garage floor tiles will get stained due to street cars, performance tires, or other heavy-duty vehicle, but it can be easily remedied by stain cleaner, and this does no impact to our tiles crafted with chemical-resistant polypropylene. Meanwhile, stain will be less noticeable on black or dark surface, so black or dark hood tiles will be a clever option to avoid this issue. All our flooring products can be installed over radiant heating coil. It is recommended you follow manufacturer's instruction during this type of work. You can wipe out dust or debris using a broom or vacuum cleaner. For a deeper clean, mop your garage floor tiles with soap water or other mild detergent solution. You can even hose in open space or places with proper drainage. For a damaged interlocking tile in the middle floor, simply pull up the old tile and remove it. Put the new tile in and lock out. A paint can opener will help you to lift up the tile edges. Vented garage floor tiles, like our best-selling Garage Floor LF, experience less expansion or contraction facing direct sun or heat. So it's wise to place them at the entrance or other places liable to large amount of heat. That depends on the size of the tile opened as well as the size of your heel point. Typically, for party events, you may well opt for dance flooring with plain anti-slip surface or vented tiles with smaller open, which adds to safety and comfort during fancy hours. Besides, if you're a real fan of lifted heel, try wedges, as the thicker lift will easily meet both worlds of style and convenience.